high. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Man, it's time to be.
Homies, where I'm at, the east side, my homeland. Like clockwork, my fingers are walking to the board. I'm raised my flag, I'm waving it high, revolution's coming. Ain't nobody that is ever gonna break us down.
This is my life in hip-hop, is my drive. Like a phoenix from the ashes, the blue skies we rise, yo. This is my life in hip-hop, is my drive. Like a phoenix from the ashes, the blue skies we rise, yo.
Welcome to Meghalaya, 101 India. I'm steady on my grind, I got no time for no persona. I'm living the way I wanna, smoking my marijuana. I got few months left in an institution, then I'm gonna move towards my revolution. Evolution is absolute and here's evidence. The smirk on my face versus your reverence. I judge not through countenance, I'm prominent like Maximus to the Romans. But these facts are hardly worth name opponents. It's ominous, the way you smell your abominous beat. I'm calm in the heat, impossible be the notion of defeat. As a kid growing up, I hardly had shoes on my feet, but I've seen bullet holes on church walls and a body in my street. Follow me on a journey down memory lane, homie. I grew up around killers throwing parties with heist money. I don't mean to promote violence or provoke some sort of rivalry. So far you've heard just a bit of my autobiography.
Homies, where I'm at, the east side, my homeland. Like clockwork, my fingers are walking to the board. I'm raised my flag, I'm waving it high, revolution's coming. Ain't nobody that is ever gonna break us down.
This is my life in hip-hop, is my drive. Like a phoenix from the ashes, the blue skies we rise, yo. This is my life in hip-hop, is my drive. Like a phoenix from the ashes, the blue skies we rise, yo.
Prophet on the mic, you know a rocket like a demigod. My semi-automatic rhythm, homie, and it all. I said it all, homie, now it's time to stop and listen on how we get for shit just by screaming fuck the system. Listen close, you hear the pain real loud. I'm on the weird shit, love to rip your brain spleen out. Funny how the underground is just too mainstream now. Keep hearing these faint screams when I make these sounds. Yo, let me spit a little syllable play. Dribble for days with words, minimal pain. It's critical main that I keep my lyrical game to a point where it's absurd like saying miracle pace. Keep it going but still stuck with petty minimum wage. Everybody too busy chilling in silicon cage. Nothing but the slave, need to see the citizens rage. Need to see the system burn and real criminals change. Yo,
Homies, where I'm at, the east side, my homeland. Like clockwork, my fingers are walking to the bone. I'm raise my flag, away with the high, revolution's coming. Ain't nobody that is ever gonna break us down.
This is my life in hip-hop, it's my drive. Like a phoenix from the ashes, the blue skies we rise. Yo, this is my life in hip-hop, it's my drive. Like a phoenix from the ashes, the blue skies we rise. Yo, I ain't no Casanova, reefer smoker, not a singer. Always drinking, never sober, bodies aching, need a liver. But I do not think I freaking need somebody to deliver me from evil, I'm a sinner. I disfigure every rapper in this industry in India. I don't give a shit, you honey brother, who big deal or Krishna. I'm a Khasi, homie, I don't fuck with all that drama. I got balls made of fire, homie, I spit it till you bleed. F you and your gimmick artistry, you ain't in rap geography. Wake up and face reality. So quit rhyming all that nonsense, for knock you off your conscience, then rip off every bit of confidence off your mind. Go play it, crap, play map, yung ang langot, pag-hip-hop, diling bating ka. Tuwib siyang tang ni smart banjingi, nga siyong ni marwing aling ap. Di ba siya kiwan boot yang nga. Nrim sing patrang minam shed kalay, kasaba ay blame minam penserwa. Kasaba ay blame minam penserwa. All the rappers from the east, all the battles we fought in, all the swagger we brought in, all the matter recorded. Yo, why's the west so important? Why's the east forgotten? Why the paper fly west? Why the east go rotten? Now all the rappers quit rapping, instead of waiting for shit to happen. Bangs frozen cold even though the fans clapping. The label